Welcome to video part 10, Deleted Documents, in this series of eDocs support tutorials. As the eDocs system is not a long-term storage facility, we strongly recommend that you save and store your documents to your local computer, storage facility, or cloud-based location once they have been agreed upon and signed. For information on how to save your documents to PDF, watch video part 5, Printing. Your deleted documents are accessible by selecting the Deleted Documents option from the Documents area of the main navigation menu. Along with any documents you choose to manually delete using the Delete option in the system, a document that has not had any activity on it for 180 days, equivalent to 6 months, will be automatically moved to the Deleted Documents area. Documents will either show as deleted, where they have been manually deleted by a user on your account, or deleted automatically, where they have been inactive for 180 days. Documents that are nearing their permanent deletion date will display in the lower section of this page. Documents will remain in this location for a further 180 days before being permanently removed from the system. Warnings will be sent to you via email and on the dashboard account alerts at 14 days, 7 days, and 1 day prior to their expiration. A document can be restored from the Deleted Documents area back into your active documents via the Restore option, should you still require it, which will remove it from this list and reinstate it on your normal documents list. Restored documents will be treated like all other active documents, where the automated deletion process will run again after 180 days of inactivity. To learn more about eDocs, continue to watch other videos in this series, or if you need to speak to someone, contact your local Master Builder's office.